What happens to my visa if a non-citizen, divorce from my permanent resident spouse? The short answer: the Director General of Home Affairs can issue an order that will allow a foreign ex-spouse who applies for a visitor's or relative's visa to stay in the country. The long answer: there was a recent case, June 2022, brought to the Western Cape High Court by several foreign ex-spouses wanting to stay in South Africa as they were contributing to their children's care, even though their spousal visas had lapsed as a result of the divorces. Judge Sher said that as long as these foreign parents had entered and were working in the country lawfully at the time their spousal visas ended, they should, if possible, continue to be accommodated in the country so that they could continue to support their children and care for them, both financially and emotionally. The judge said the spousal visa had to come to an end when the spousal relationship ended, but other means could be provided for a foreign spouse who was the parent of a South African child citizen or permanent resident and therefore had parental responsibilities, which they were actually discharging, to remain in the country in order to 1. Apply for a fresh status, i.e., a visitor's or relative's visa, which would 2. Allow them to stay and work in the country so they could discharge their parental responsibilities and exercise their rights. This order, or readings into the law, will allow a foreign ex-spouse who applies, on expiry of their spousal visa, for a visitor's or relative's visa, to continue to live and work in the country to discharge their parental responsibilities.